Hello and welcome to this BitDiver tutorial. In this short video, I will guide you through reading the Portfolio Predominance page, a section designed to help you understand which assets impact your crypto portfolio the most. Whether you are a beginner investor or a more experienced user, this page allows you to immediately visualize where the actual weight of your investments lies and how much each crypto or wallet influences the overall portfolio performance. Let's start with the basics. What is meant by portfolio predominance? Predominance represents the percentage weight of a single crypto or a wallet relative to the total value of your portfolio, based on the hierarchy chosen for the analysis. In other words, this chart shows you how influential each element is within your overall portfolio. Predominance is visualized through a rectangle chart where each rectangle represents a crypto or a wallet. The size of the rectangle is proportional to its weight in the portfolio. The displayed value indicates the equivalent value in euros and the percentage of impact on the total. The larger the size of the rectangle, the greater the impact of that asset on the portfolio's overall return. This type of visualization allows you to understand at a glance if your portfolio is well distributed or heavily concentrated on a few assets. Analyzing predominance is very useful for assessing the level of risk concentration. For example, if one or two assets occupy a large part of the chart, it means their performance will significantly influence overall results. Conversely, a more balanced distribution indicates greater diversification. This is not necessarily a positive or negative figure in absolute terms, but it is fundamental information to understand how much your portfolio depends on specific cryptos or wallets. The Portfolio Predominance page helps you to identify dominant assets quickly, evaluate the actual impact of every investment, better understand your portfolio's balance, and make more informed decisions regarding risk management. It is a tool designed to support analysis, not to suggest automatic choices. In summary, the Portfolio Predominance section offers you a clear and immediate representation of the percentage weight of each crypto or wallet, of their degree of influence on overall performance, and of the concentration level of your crypto portfolio. Use this information to improve your awareness and refine your investment strategies. That is all for this section. I invite you to continue your analysis by exploring the other tools BitDiver puts at your disposal. And as always, for any doubts, you can contact BitDiver support from the Help section in the top menu. See you soon, and happy analyzing.